Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, everyone.
Morning, Miss.
Morning.
How are you today?
I'm fine.
I'm
And
fine,
you?
and you?
I'm good. Okay, this morning we will learning about the state of matter and their change. Before we start the learning, it's better to pray together. Praying star. Enough. I will check your attendance, so please say reason when I call your name. Aisyah Inayatul Zahwa,
Present, Miss.
Arina Robiatul Awaliyah,
Present, Miss.
Dewi Sania,
Reason, Miss.
Jauha Khairunisa,
Present, Miss.
Taufifatun Najah,
Present, Miss.
Laili Fajriati,
Present, Miss.
Nurnilam Sari,
Present, Miss.
Queenie,
Present, Miss.
Tasya,
Present, Miss.
Safa Aulia. Okay, I will share screen. Okay, if your connection stable, you can open your camera. We will learning about states of matter and their change. Learning objectives in this morning is classifying substance based on their form and identifying the properties of matter and their measurements. The first is brainstorming. You can open your mic to answer the question, or you can answer the question in chat box. First, what do you think about the state of matter? Second, do you know what types of substance exist? And the last, can the state of matter change?
The answer number one is matter is something that has mass.
Okay. Number
The
two,
answer number 2. Solid, liquid, and gas.
okay. And the last,
Yes, it can change.
okay, good. Okay, this is experiment. Let's observe change in the state of matter took experiment with pet. You can click the following link or you can scan the barcode. Work step to experiment. The first, open the pad and wait until the application loading is complete. Then select a water atom, choose from solid, pull the lever up until the temperature rises. Observe the shape of the water molecules. From solid, the water changes to liquid. At a temperature of 100 Celsius, molecules begin to disperse into water vapor or called evaporating. Then we give the water cool, then the temperature drops, and the water will solid again, or you call crystallis. Who wants to try the experiment? Who wants to try the experiment? Okay, Dewi.
Okay. Wait, Miss. Okay, let me introduce myself. My name is Sania. Here I will present the experiment. Select solid, then pull the lever to increase the temperature so that the particles move freely. This called is this is called melt. Melt is the change in state of a substance from solid to liquid. Okay, thank you, Miss.
Okay, good job, Dewi. Give applause to Dewi. Okay, look at the picture. What it is? Yes, it is ice lolly, or you call as lilin. Have you ever eaten ice lolly?
Yes, I have.
Okay, how to make?
I don't know, miss.
Okay, ice lollies are entirely liquid, then put in the freezer where the temperature decreases so that they become solid. This is called freezing. Understand?
Yes.
Okay. Forms of substance and particle. Substance is something that has mass and occupies space. Solid particles are dense, have a fixed shape and volume. Liquid particles move freely. They're shaped like a container, but the volume is fixed. And gas particles vary free. Their shape and volume are not fixed. Okay. Um, Number one, melting is a change in the state of a substance from solid to liquid. Number two, freezing is a change in the state of a substance from liquid to solid. And number three, evaporation is change in state of a substance from liquid to gas. And number four, condensation is a change in the state of a substance from gas to liquid. Then crystallization is a change in state from gas to solid, and the last sublimation is a form of change the state of a solid object into gas without going through a liquid process. And this is Project Asynchronous. This is daily temperature data in Semarang City. What can we do to take advantage of the situation? Can we make a product from this phenomena? Okay, you can join the Google Classroom and create a project related to this phenomena as a group. Complete instructions are in Google Classroom. You have to pay attention to the deadline. You can use the following class code or scan the barcode to join the Google Classroom. Okay, any question?
No, miss.
Okay. This is quiz time. You can click the link or you can scan the barcode. Okay, scan the barcode, please. Okay, I can start right now. Okay, time is over. Congrats to me. Who is me?
Me.
Safa. Okay, congratulations, Safa. Okay, and the last is reflection. Please, you can scan the barcode for for reflection this learning. Okay. Okay, thank you guys. See you next time. Remember, next week you have presentation your project. Okay?
Okay, Miss.
See you next time. Bye-bye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you, Miss.